So here's a fun fact for you. The most searched machine tool brand in our industry is actually Colchester. So we've travelled up to West Yorkshire to Colchester Machine Tool Solutions to find out why they are such an iconic brand and how dry cutting can benefit you in your company.
Well, Colchester's been trusted in the industry now for well over 100 years. We're probably the most recognisable brand globally when it comes to machine tools, especially on the conventional lathes, and we've got renown for build quality on there. But we're so much more than that nowadays, from our range of conventional lathes to our turning centres, stone vertical machining centres, laser marking equipment, and now we can even offer automation to our customers.
So now we've got confidence within the brand, but let's find out more about that dry cutting.
So one of the things which we do here now is we like to tailor solutions to our customers, and one aspect of that is dry machining, and this can offer a benefit to the customer through an environmental solution, because obviously nowadays trying to get waste management, getting rid of the coolant and the soluble can cause issues to the customers. So by dry machining, that negates any of those issues they have.
We've found out that it's more of an environmentally friendly way of machining, which is future-proofing your company with all that we know about going green. But what are those materials and the parameters of those materials that we can cut?
Well, by dry cutting, we can cut a range of different materials, and one thing which we do is we like to work with our customers, and we're also working with a strategic partner, Dorma Pramat. So when we get a customer's components in for manufacturing, we look at the best solution for that customer, and working both with the customer and with our strategic partners, we offer the solution to the customer.
Interesting talking parameters and partnerships, but you and I both know you don't want that machine tool rattling around, so surely you'd need a strong machine.
Look, we all know you need a strong machine in there. It's about the build quality, performance and reliability. It's working as a complete partnership, as well as with the cutting tool as well. It's a complete solution that we need.
We've covered machines, we've covered materials, but now let's talk money and how you can save it whilst dry cutting.
The benefit to the customer regarding dry cutting is through waste management. Obviously the customer is now saving costs in waste disposal of that, but other benefits as well is in cleaning down the components. There's less work for him to do on there, so he can produce the parts quicker and get them out to the end user quicker as well.
There you have it, we've found out about dry cutting, but Colchester is such an iconic brand name within this industry for providing quality machine tools.
Colchester's been trusted in the industry for over 100 years now, so we must be doing something right for our customers, and it's about not just offering them a machine tool, it's about offering them a solution, the backup and the support, and we've got a network of engineers based throughout the UK offering service and application support.
There you have it. Now Colchester have over 100,000 machine tools in operation worldwide, all supported from their head office here in West Yorkshire. So if you're looking for a machine tool solution, make sure you contact Colchester Machine Tool Solutions.